And speaking of the Pune Warriors, we have with us Pune's World Cup winning captain Yuvraj Singh. Yuvi, welcome to our show. Our first question to you, were you consulted when Pune decided to go ahead with Dada?
Yes, we discussed. We thought that our middle order or the batting order is not clicking, so we need someone with experience. And I thought Saurav was the one who was with the most experience, and the guys like Lakshman and Rahul are still playing well and doing well. So why not give a chance to Saurav?
Yuvi, his experience didn't really pay off yesterday, but speaking of that, he must be helping you strategize for all the games now.
Yeah, we do discuss, what's the best team and how can we, win a game. And since Saurav has come, he's definitely helped me in my plans. And with Grant Smith talking about captaincy, really helps. So I think these two guys really support me in the field.
Absolutely. Now, Yuvi, you were at the non-strikers end when a fan came and touched Saurav's feet. Now, can you just describe that entire incident?
I was pretty impressed with the way Saurav handled that, and I told him that, Dada, you still not be playing, you come after such a long time, but look at your fan following, it's still the same.
Absolutely. And finally, what do you make of Pune Warriors' young bowling sensation Rahul Sharma?
I think he bowls with a lot of confidence. He's very chirpy, and he likes the big stage, and every time I tell him to come and bowl in the first 6, or whenever I need a wicket, he comes and bowls and gets me a wicket. So he's very confident about his bowling, and yeah, he's doing very well, and I'm sure one day he will play for the country soon.